Death Valley National Park is located in the western part of the United States of America, especially in the state of California. It is a vast national park known for its harsh desert terrain and unique natural attractions. Here's an overview of Death Valley National Park, geography and topography. Death Valley is characterized by its diverse geological formations and dramatic landscape. It has the lowest point in North America called Badwater Basin, which is 282 feet, 86 m, below sea level. The park also features high sand dunes, towering mountains, salt lands, valleys, and colorful rock formations. Extreme climate. Death Valley is known for its extreme temperatures, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. The park holds the record for the highest temperature on record, reaching 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 56.7 degrees Celsius, in 1913. The dry climate and lack of rain contribute to a unique desert ecosystem. Wildlife and flora. Despite its harsh environment, Death Valley supports a diverse array of plants and animals. Desert-adapted wildlife such as wild sheep, wild monkeys, huge rabbits, and desert foxes can be found here. The park is also known for the blooming of wildflowers in the spring, as the desert fills with flower colors after rare rains. Outdoor activities. Death Valley offers many outdoor recreational activities for visitors. Hiking trails range from easy hikes to challenging treks and offer opportunities to explore the park's diverse terrain. Other popular activities include scenic driving, camping, and stargazing, as the park is considered a reserve. I will apologize, but I have limited ability to generate content at this time. I can provide general information about Death Valley National Park in the United States. Death Valley National Park was founded in 1933 and spans over 13,600 square kilometers in California and Nevada. Here are some key points about the park. Death Valley terrain. The park is characterized by its vast desert terrain and unique landscape. This includes deep valleys, canyons, salt marshes, sandy canyons, and vast desert plains. Highlights. The park has several tourist highlights, including Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, Telescope Peak, the highest peak in the region, and Mesquite Flat sand dunes. They are amazing sand dunes that change with light and shadow. Harsh climate. The park is considered one of the hottest and driest places in the world. Temperatures rise to record levels during the summer, and humidity is very low. Visitors should be aware of warnings and precautions to deal with extreme conditions. Activities and entertainment. The park provides many opportunities to enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, mountain biking, safaris, and horse riding. Visitors can also enjoy photography of stunning landscapes and unique scenes. Snake Island, also known as El Aznacharon, is a small island located in the Gulf of California in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of La Paz in the state of Peru. Snake Island is considered one of the most strange and dangerous places in the world due to the presence of large numbers of poisonous snakes there. Here's an overview of Snake Island. Terrain and climate. Snake Island is characterized by its rocky and mountainous terrain, formed by ancient volcanoes and seismic activity. The island covers a small area of about 0.4 square kilometers and rises steeply above sea level. Snakes. The presence of venomous snakes is the most notable feature of Snake Island. 4 main species of snakes live here, including the yellow snake, which is considered one of the most venomous snakes in the world, the black scorpion snake, the yellow spotted snake, and the red scorpion snake. The current numbers of snakes are estimated in the thousands. Danger. Due to the venomous snakes, visiting Snake Island is considered very dangerous and not recommended for tourists. There are strict warnings preventing visitors from accessing the island without special permission and professional care. Visitor safety is a top priority, and strict measures are taken to avoid bites and poisoning. Scientific research. Despite the island's danger, it is considered an important source for scientific research. There are many scientists and researchers specialized in predatory organisms and venomous snakes on the island, and they study snakes, their behavior, and the environmental factors surrounding them. The Patagonian ice sheet is one of the most prominent natural monuments in southern South America. It is located in the Patagonia region, which extends through Argentina and Chile and is considered one of the largest ice sheets in the world outside the polar regions. The Patagonian ice sheet consists of several massive superimposed icebergs, the most prominent of which are the Perito Moreno Glacier, Onello Glacier, and Frecciani Glacier. These ice sheets are among the most influential in the region, extending over an area of more than 12,000 square kilometers. The Patagonian ice sheet is characterized by its stunning scenery and diverse terrain. It consists of soaring glacial peaks, long valleys, crystal-clear lakes, and majestic ice waterfalls. The color of the ice changes from light blue to sparkling white, and the ice forms into jagged terrain and deep fissures. One of the most notable sites of the Patagonian ice sheet is the Perito Moreno Glacier. It is one of the few glaciers in the world that continues to grow. Perito Moreno Glacier is part of Los Glaciares National Park in Argentina and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It features a stunning scene of ice cracks and huge blocks of ice breaking off and falling into Lake Argentino. Exploring the Patagonian ice sheet is an unforgettable experience. Visitors can roam the ice via organized excursions or ride boats to enjoy the wonderful sights. Hiking trips can also be organized to explore the stunning landscape surrounding the ice sheet. In addition to its natural beauty, the Patagonian ice sheet also plays an important role in maintaining the ecological balance and providing water resources to the region. The summer melting ice is a source of pure fresh water that feeds the surrounding rivers and lakes. However, we must remember that the Patagonian ice sheet is affected by climate changes. In recent decades, the region has seen ice shrinkage due to rising temperatures. This is a warning about the potential effects of climate change on the ice sheets and ecological balance in the region. In short, the Patagonian ice sheet is a natural miracle with stunning scenery and amazing ice formations. It is an important tourist destination that attracts visitors from all over the world to enjoy its beauty and splendor. However, we have to confront the challenges of climate change and preserve this important natural heritage for future generations. Bat caves are a stunning natural gift that is home to bats and is famous for its huge and awe-inspiring concentrations of these flying creatures. Dark, damp caves are an ideal environment for bats, providing protection, food, and reproduction for these creatures. Bat caves are found all over the world and vary in size and biodiversity. Caves inhabited by bats can be small and limited in space, or huge and complex. Some caves are world-famous and great tourist destinations, while many remain undiscovered or known only to researchers and ecologists. Bats play a vital role in caves and their surrounding environments. Bats feed on a variety of insects, fruits, and meat, thus contributing to ecosystem balance and agricultural pest control. In addition, bats play an important role in dispersing plant seeds and pollinating flowers, contributing to plant diversity and preserving the natural environment. Bat caves attract researchers, scientists, and visitors alike. Scientists are exploring these caves to understand the unique life systems in which bats exist and their impact on the surrounding environment. Research on bats and caves may be conducted to improve the protection of these creatures and preserve their habitats. From the tourism aspect, visiting a bat cave can be an exciting and impressive experience. Visitors can explore these mysterious environments and see thousands of bats gathering in huge numbers. They enjoy watching bats fly, feed, and interact in their native natural habitat. However, bat caves must be treated with care and respect. Visitors must follow regulations prohibiting visitors from approaching or disturbing bats, as stress and disturbance can have a negative impact on bat health and behavior. In addition, visitors should follow environmental guidelines, such as not disposing of waste in the caves or damaging the rock formations and other plant life in the area surrounding the cave. Ultimately, bat caves represent an important nature reserve and reflect the amazing biodiversity of our planet. Studying these caves and the bats that live in them contributes to our understanding of the natural world and advances efforts to protect these valuable creatures and their environment. Plague Island, also known as Buvona Verde Island, is an island located in the Gulf of Naples in southern Italy. This island is a famous and interesting historical site dating back to the Middle Ages and having a close association with the plague. Plague Island is famous as a place where people infected with the plague were exiled during the period between the 13th and 17th centuries. The island was used as a hospital to isolate people infected with this infectious disease known at that time. Those infected were placed in quarantine on the island to prevent the disease from spreading to the mainland. Plague Island was a harsh and tragic environment. The injured were isolated and prevented from leaving the island, and adequate medical care was not provided to them. As a result, many people died there due to disease and the harsh conditions in which they lived. Despite Plague Island's dark past, today it is a popular tourist destination. The island has been a protected UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1997. Visitors can explore the island and visit buildings and facilities that were used to isolate people with the plague, including a hospital, church, and cemetery. The island also contains a museum that tells the history of the disease and the lives of people on the island at that time. Plague Island attracts visitors because of its natural beauty and rich history. Visitors can wander the streets of the island and enjoy stunning views of the sea and the surrounding green landscape. In addition, visitors can enjoy a cruise from Naples to Plague Island and explore the surrounding area. In short, Plague Island in Italy is a site of great historical and cultural importance. The island's tragic story reflects the impact of the plague on society and human life. As it develops as a tourist destination, it allows visitors a deeper understanding of the history and culture related to this ancient disease. A visit to Plague Island offers an opportunity to enjoy the natural beauty and learn about the rich and tragic history of this unique site in Italy.